Every day, companies make billion-dollar decisions using data. Netflix recommends what you should watch. Banks detect fraud instantly. Businesses predict what customers will buy next. Behind all of it are data scientists, some of the most in-demand professionals in the world today. Maybe you feel stuck in a career with limited growth. You keep hearing about AI, machine learning, and data, and it seems like the people with these skills are getting the biggest opportunities. Remote jobs, global careers, higher salaries, but starting feels intimidating. You wonder if you need a tech background or years of experience to succeed. That's why Utiva's data science program was designed for beginners who want to build highly valuable, job-ready skills. You'll learn how to analyze data, use Python, build predictive models, and generate insights businesses rely on to make smarter decisions. More importantly, you'll work on practical projects that prepare you for real-world opportunities across industries like finance, healthcare, technology, and e-commerce. And the best part? You don't need prior coding experience to start. At Utiva, you'll learn from experienced instructors, build a professional portfolio, and gain skills companies are actively hiring for right now. Because today, businesses are not just looking for employees, they're looking for people who can solve problems with data. Visit Utiva today and start building a data science career employers are eager to hire for.